Hey guys, welcome to the stream. Yesterday we did some Legos. We got our Iron Spider bust. We had our brick heads and uh, pulled some cards. Here's that reprieve we got. So we're gonna open up another pack and do a jigsaw puzzle today. But first I wanted to kind of show you some of my favorite stuff. Uh, One of my favorite coffees is Bones Coffee. Spider-Man Web Slinger is the crispy marshmallow treat flavored coffee. It's one of my favorites. I think it is currently not in stock, but hopefully it'll come back. With that, I got the pack with the Spider-Man mug. But without further ado, so for our jigsaw puzzles, we do have 4 different ones. Let's see. And I'm gonna see. So for speed puzzling, uh, the one competition I went to, it was there's a 300 piece puzzle. So these three are 300 pieces. For the single competition, it is you have 60 minutes to finish. So we're gonna see. I think the last time I did a 300 piece like that, I did it in 90 minutes, which I I'm not the greatest puzzler, but we'll see. So, and typically you have to open the box and do all that, but since this one is a little bit different, they have a few puzzles. I'm gonna see which one is actually the panoramic one, so I don't accidentally open that one instead. I think, but that one. I think I'll do this one. So, timing aside, there's a little poster for it. All right. It's about 11:01. So without further ado, here we